you guys trying to make me fall in love with you or something? The museum is closing soon for rental.
What we have here is a Hot Wave 7, and basically its screen was broken. I have fixed it. In the next shot, I will show the internals and basically the tape that I applied. And this is the after, and showing it working and functioning at full resolution and display from a very cheap source on Amazon. I'm just going to clear out the RAM just because I'm using up a ton. And now we're going to go into the system settings. And when I go to display, I should be able to show the refresh rate. And basically it works at 120 hertz. Is the only thing that I was worried about. And as I fell on it today, I can testify it saved me from about 8 or 9 feet of falling off. And the screen was the first thing to smack the ground, along with its case that I do construction in. And basically the phone is still perfectly fine. Not very difficult to see are those thin strips that are clear on the gray sponge. The sponge is what actually makes contact with the screen. So I put it onto the sponge. It's far easier. Now you simply put back down. Here's all the paper. There's that, and it's in. Just press. You can see my reflection of me recording. And a new screen. I think these things are the best on the market. Whoops. Now I'm showing the whole world my password. It's real smart, right? Well, I guess I gotta stop now because I think I have to do it here. So, it works. I don't mind. Hold it. Give me a second. See? There he goes. He's working. Yay! Although I have it on the slower refresh rate because I was tired of the battery. But I can even go in the settings and show, which is what I will do. My stuff starts coming in finally. I can actually go to About Phone and it'll tell. Here we go. That's the stuff. There's a screen, wrong thing. Prove what it is. I'll display. Here's refresh rate. There we go. See, it's on 60 hertz. There's 90. There's back to 120 finally. Off of a $26 screen. So I think those are all lies that they tell us about these screens costing so much. Because there's all of it. Functioning quite flawlessly well for $30. It's pretty fast to me. Hey.